are the magnets. Like that, there are given the 6 colors: red, orange, pink, yellow, green and blue. On first magnet they written numbers 0 to 9. Next, on second magnet there are written the symbol addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. On third magnet also given the numbers 0 to 9. Next is the fourth magnet. On fourth magnet there are the symbols equal to, less than and greater than. Last two magnets there are written also in numbers 0 to 9. Let's perform some activity by using it. Just like that, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Next, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. For subtraction, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. For multiplication, 3 multiply 3 equal to 9. Three multiply 2 equal to 6. Next, for division, 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Just like 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. You can use these three magnets also. 9 is greater than 7. Next one, 8 is greater than 6. Just like also 1 is less than 8. And 8 equal to 8. So we can perform many activities by using these magnets. This is also a beautiful toy and learning is also easy by using it.